Elon Musk is familiar with all developments in the world of technology. That's why Elon is using the new inventions and discoveries out there to help so many companies. Stick around to know more. Hello, and welcome back to another top video from your favorite tech channel, Disruptive Age. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily information and updates on happenings in the tech world. Make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss the following video. Let's dig in. Gigapress is a true lifesaver for Tesla, offering a pristine place in the automotive market. Gigapress is a faster metal than the Italian company. Elon Musk is a loyal customer of the company and has bought many products for a long time. In fact, many of his orders are still made by them. There are different models of this electromechanical, depending primarily on the clamping force supplied. According to Eron's plant, these machines helped Tesla produce 56,000 vehicles. That number hasn't improved yet, which is why ETrade has developed a new model to improve Elon's goals. Let's take a quick look at the various Gigapresses Hydra has supplied to Tesla for years. Tesla's 6,000-ton Gigapress, the machine currently used by Tesla to manufacture chassis, is a 6,000-ton Gigapress to fully manufacture the chassis. Approximately 70 different parts need to be carefully assembled and screwed in, increasing costs and manufacturing time. However, Gigapress doesn't see everything, and only the chassis parts connection, front and rear, are required to manufacture the body parts. There are two versions of the 6,000-ton Gigapress, one producing the front of the car and the other producing the rear. Tesla produces several exotic vehicle models, but this Gigapress is only used in the production of Model Y and the manufacture of front or rear units of automobiles. These two types of Gigapress are in two different factories, and the car fronts are manufactured in Giga Texas and Giga Berlin. The rear of the car is produced by Giga Fremont and Giga Shanghai. Therefore, the factories are far away. Is this a major drawback, wasting time and money, and incurring shipping and other related costs associated with transporting these two parts to the same location? In addition, Giga Texas hasn't been set up yet, and has just been set up recently, so front-end production is lagging here. 8,000 tons of Gigapress. If you're a Tesla fan and follow the news faithfully, you're definitely familiar with the hype behind Elon Musk's long-awaited cybertruck. Due to the low clamping force of the 6,000-ton Gigapress, the 8,000-ton Gigapress is used to manufacture the rear of the cybertruck. Drugs are already in the process of making this huge device, and it's only a short time for Tesla to use it to make an insanely rugged cybertruck. To understand the operating mechanism behind the 8,000-ton Gigapress of the 6,000-ton Gigapress, let's take a look at a similar device in an IRA. Express 700. ETrade's marvelous Express 700 is a Gigapress machine. It comes with features that are very similar to the factory Tesla. Express 700 features a flexible injection system with a toggle system and a servo system to drive the hydraulic system. This is also known for its energy-saving effect. Turnkey die-cast cells are also an important part of this ensemble. In addition, the Express 700 has some very nice features, such as the integration of highly flexible peripherals that help Tesla optimize the car. The spectacular 12,000-ton Gigapress that creates two chassis and joins them together is amazing. But creating a chassis with the undercarriage is a complete game changer for the automotive world. And that's exactly what Idris is doing at 12,000 tons of Gigapress. Simply put, this Gigapress model is very similar to making a toy car. Technology to do this on a larger scale is possible, and this model of Gigapress can easily produce 5,000 cars a day if ready. This means that productivity is 5 times higher than the previously used Gigapress. This will make Tesla profit trillions. This greatly encourages all nations to get this vehicle and probably even breaks Toyota's record in the process. This machine not only significantly increases production, but also contributes to improved design changes and reduced wear. This Gigapress is calculated to be capable of producing parts of the body every 1 to 2 minutes. So instead of the 26,000 tons of Gigapress used to make cars, only one can do it. This is something they didn't or even thought about. Other automakers in the industry give Tesla a greater competitive advantage over other competitors in the industry. The advantages of the 12,000-ton Gigapress. The 12,000-ton Gigapress has many advantages. Some of them are fast and efficient chassis production by increasing the speed of car production by about 25%. Gigapress helps reduce the cost of the rear underbody by 60%. In addition, the production of a single chassis helps reduce the body size of the vehicle by 40%. Like most machines, Gigapress faces downtime, but 10% more than the previous and other machines used in this process. During this time, the human labor previously used for minor tasks is optimized to perform very important tasks. In addition, wear costs are reduced. Also, the use of partial chassis joints will be completely abolished. Instead, it helps to create the entire chassis, further increasing the speed and efficiency of production compared to what the 8,000 and 6,000-ton Gigapresses produce. In addition, this device is lightweight and the manufacturing process is simple. It's also very cost-effective, and you can get these vehicles at an affordable price, which is a huge benefit not only for your company, but also for your customers. JP Morgan experts also added that Tesla saved 40% on labor costs by manufacturing a single chassis, as opposed to traditional car manufacturing. As a result, the alignment problem has been significantly eliminated by another 40%. Tesla's current position in the express niche. Tesla is a very difficult company to beat and has a fairly high position in the market, but its competitors are far behind in terms of technology and innovation. 2021 was a tough year for all industries, especially the automotive industry, as people didn't have to buy a new car when everyone was trapped indoors because of a pandemic. But it's not Tesla. Tesla has survived the pandemic rage quite well and remains stable, so Tesla's goal is to be able to produce 200 to 30 million vehicles annually. By continuing at this pace, you will definitely reach and perhaps exceed your goals. Tesla and Eron have been working hand in hand for a long time and have worked together to do a great job. 21 is just a small chapter in Tesla's workbook, which grows over time. Gigapress will be given Tesla's stability, which in turn will have a positive impact on the company's global market share. Tesla's competitors need to think and act swiftly. Tesla has made great strides that are difficult to catch up with, or can even compete with a world that knows about Tesla and Gigapress. Competitors must put out machines that can do better to win the competition. What do you think of the new 12,000 tons of Gigapress? That's it for today's video. See you in our next video.